Alright, so making hookah 101. First, we gotta turn that little coal burner on. Put that thing on 5. Next, get our coals. And that need to be clean, but I don't know how to clean that, so it's just gonna be ashy. And we throw in our little coals like so. You can use 3 to 4. I use 3 because I think it's just me and I think that's okay. But if you got like 4 people, not 4 people, more people, then do the 4. But I just do the 3. Let that sit for a little bit. We're gonna come back to that. All right, so this is the fun part. You get to pick your flavors. I don't know what I want to do, but I love mint in mine. So I'm gonna pick some mint, and then I'm going to get peach, and I like blueberry, so I'll do the blueberry. Boom. So then you're gonna get your flavors out. And then we're gonna mix them. This part is so messy. But let's see. Let's get some flavors out. I think that should be enough. Alright, the next thing we gotta do is go ahead and mix that thing up. Next thing is putting this in here, but try not to get in the hole like I just did. I'm gonna pack it in there in a second. All right, the next step is getting your foil. Put your foil on top of it. And then, here go the fun part. We're gonna take, and then get you a little fork. Break off the top, like so. And then proceed to pop it. The next step is, these coals is almost done, so you see where it's black at? We gotta flip that around. Flip it. Flip it. See how I got some ashes in there? It's okay, it'll still work. There we go. So I gotta cook a little bit more. So I like to put ice in there. I don't know why. I think it make my cloud whiter or something. So fill this up with some water. Like halfway there. That's good right there. So then mix this piece on top. Throw this piece. Boom, we almost there. Now the coals are ready. So take it, brush some of that ash off, and then put it in there along the edges. I'm down for whatever. You just lead the way. We go to dinner, y'all don't even look at me. Make sure you turn that burner off. Clean your mess up, because it gets messy. And boom! There we go, the perfect hookah stand. Get tired of you. I'm in the box and we're way at the top and we got us an ocean view. I know I got it, I'm all in the body and nobody got a clue. Me and the coupe pulling up for the pop, that baby in motion. Wanna get tired of you. I'm in the box and we're way at the top and we got us an ocean view. I know I got it, I'm all in the body and nobody got a clue. I know pussy power got me buying shit again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't.
take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about another, I'm finna nail her as a home. Hit it.